How to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on restricted mode on TikTok. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok, go to those three lines right here in the top, and after that go to settings right here, settings and privacy. Then you have to go down and choose the option of digital well-being. Click on digital well-being. Now click on restricted mode and click turn on restricted mode and set passcode and click next. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.